Let's learn about DFIR tools, that is Digital Forensic Investigation Response Incident Response Tools. The security industry has built various exciting tools to help you perform DFIR process. And these tools help you to save the time and enhance your capability to perform security audits. So let's try to understand the same. The first one is Eric's Zimmerman's tools. Now, Eric Zimmerman's tool is a security researcher who has written a few tools that you can use to perform forensic investigation on Windows platforms. And we are going to practically understand the file system, timeline, and many other analysis with this tool. Now, we are going to practically learn all these tools, but for this video, just take a look at the name of the tools, and this tool is different for Windows operating system. The next tool is KAPE, that is Role Artifact Parser and Extractor. It is another beneficiary tool, and it is again created by Eric himself. This tool allows you to automate and collect and parse forensic artifacts and create a timeline of events. We are going to take a look at the same in practical on various other platforms as well. The next major tool is Autopsy. Autopsy is an open source forensic platform that helps analyze data from digital media like mobile phones, hard drive, removable drives, and also drones. Various plugins for Autopsy speed up the forensic process and extraction of valuable information from raw data sources. The next best tool for both Windows and Linux is Volatility. Volatility is a tool that helps you perform memory analysis, and you are going to learn about it practically. The next tool on the list is Redline. Redline is an incident response tool developed and freely distributed by FireEye. This tool gathers forensic data from system and helps you conduct forensic investigation. We are going to learn how to use Redline practically. Now let's talk about Velociraptor. Velociraptor is an advanced endpoint monitoring tool that performs forensic and response platform, and again this is open source but yet powerful. Let's take a look at the tool practically in the next few videos.